Hi, I'm Nebo. Today, I'll show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. Let's say I want to hide the YouTube Studio app. First, I'll press and hold the app icon, then tap Require Face ID. Next, I'll select Hide and Require Face ID. Your Face ID will be confirmed and you'll see the following message. When you hide an app, it will disappear from your home screen, Siri Suggestions, Spotlight Search, and even the app library. If that's okay with you, hit the like button and subscribe. Then tap Hide App to proceed. You might be wondering, how do I find my hidden apps? There are two ways to find them. First, you can go to Settings and search for the app name. This will show you the hidden app, but you won't be able to open it directly from Settings. The second way is through the Hidden Apps folder in the app library. To access it, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID. And guess what? You'll need Face ID again to open the app itself. If later on you decide to unhide the app, go back and unlock the hidden folder. Tap and hold the app and select Add to Home Screen. Then tap Unhide App. This will return the app directly to your home screen.